guys, I figured I would jump on and do a quick little recipe for you guys. Something simple for the kids that's on break or for the parents that just need a quick snack. It is a microwave brownie slash cake. Real simple. All you need is 1 egg, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa, and 2 tablespoons of oil. So, in this little bowl, we have our dry ingredients already mixed together, and in our mug here, we have our 1 egg mixed with our oil. And all you got to do is just combine the two, mix it up real good, put it in the microwave for 2.5 minutes, and there you go. So, let's get this mixed up, guys. Make sure you scrape your sides so you get all your dry ingredients mixed in. They're not kind of hanging out on the side. And you can make your own variations. You can, you know, put a little bit of peanut butter in it or some chopped up nuts, or if you like chocolate chips, you can add those. It's one of those things you can kind of make it your own. But now that we got that all mixed up, this is what your batter is going to look like. And so we're going to go and we're going to put it in the microwave for 2.5 minutes, and we'll be back in just a second. Okay guys, now that the cake is out of the microwave, this is what it looks like. And let's see here. Yep, it's got the cake like you like. So guys, give it a try. I'm gonna go eat this thing real quick while it's still warm. And I will see you guys later.